Football teams from 11 districts, including the host West Jantia, arrived for the Meghalaya Games 2025 yesterday. Each player was greeted with a token of appreciation. The head coach from West Khasi Hills expressed his delight at the warm reception and friendly atmosphere provided by the host district. The 6th Meghalaya Games began today with the under-17 boys football match where East Garo Hills defeated Southwest Garo Hills 4-2. The subsequent matches between Southwest Khasi and East Khasi Hills and East Jantia Hills and Riboy District ended in draws.
Te kajing pidang subah hangne ngas long sultanat nomor ba ki staff ki badan hangne naduk bangi dang supoi ru long ba long pariak ba long friendly ba bat ni tengis ngeujuk sujan bat ki sultanat sya ha kajing pe jongan nomor arsin mentah ngale mensuang ngale hatura te kaper sya kat nang yat kisni kaper nomor ki bru ru ki sutu kam sutu no kanang per kasni kanang per ki bru ru ki hajing penyaj ru kan long ka kamper sibun pan hatura.